Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Amati.
And I am Ashari Matlu.
We are from 19B CS Section B, Semester 3 student. So today in this video, we are going to briefly discuss about binary search tree. Here we start.
So first of all, we are going to discuss the definition of binary search tree. So basically, what is binary search tree? So here's the definition of binary search tree. In computer science, a binary search tree, BST, also called an ordered or sorted binary tree. A binary tree is a type of data structure for storing data such as member in an organized way. Binary search tree allow binary search for fast lookup, addition and removal of data items and can be used to implement dynamic sets and lookup tables. Now, here's a picture. Here's a picture of binary search tree. So इस पिक्चर में हम देख सकते हैं कि सबसे पहली वैल्यू जो हमारी थी वो 30 के रूट नोड बनाना था. तो हम जो नेक्स्ट वैल्यू है 15 और 60, हम पहले वो देखेंगे कि 30 से ग्रेटर है या स्मॉलर है. तो 15 जो है वो 30 से स्मॉलर है, तो वो 30 के राइट लेफ्ट पे जाएगा, और जो 60 जो 30 से ग्रेटर है वो 30 के राइट पे जाएगा. सो बेसिकली जो भी वैल्यू जो है वो हमारे जो मेन वैल्यू 30 जैसे कि है उससे अगर छोटी हुई तो वो लेफ्ट पे आएगी, अगर बड़ी हुई तो राइट पे आएगी. इसी तरह 7 जो है वो हम देखेंगे 30 से ग्रेटर है या स्मॉलर है. 77 जो है वो 30 से स्मॉलर है, तो वो 30 के लेफ्ट में जाएगा. फिर हम देखेंगे कि वो 15 से स्मॉलर है ग्रेटर है, और 15 से वो स्मॉलर है, तो इसी तरह वो 15 के भी लेफ्ट पे जाएगा. अब हम आते हैं एडवांटेजेस पे. सो बेसिकली द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ बाइनरी सर्च ट्रीज आर we can always keep the cost of insert, delete, lookup to O log n, where n is the number of nodes in the tree. So the benefit really is that lookup can be done in logarithmic time, which matters a lot when n is large. Second advantage is we can implement order statics and binary search tree and smallest and largest element. This is because it is possible to look at the data structure as sorted array. The third advantage of binary search tree is we can also do range queries, find keys between n and m. Now the disadvantage of binary search tree is, the main disadvantage is that we should always implement a balanced binary search tree, AVL tree, red black tree, split tree. Otherwise the cost of operation may not be logarithmic and degenerate into a linear search on an array.
So first of all, I would like to discuss about the types of binary search tree. There are various types of binary trees and each of these binary tree types has unique characteristics. Here are each of the binary tree types in detail. Full binary tree. It is a special kind of a binary tree that has either 0 children or 2 children. It means that all the nodes in that binary tree should have either 2 child nodes of its parent node, or the parent node is itself the leaf node or the external node. Complete binary tree. A complete binary tree is another specific type of binary tree where all the tree levels are filled entirely with nodes except the lowest level of the tree. Perfect binary tree. A binary tree is said to be perfect if all the internal nodes have strictly 2 children and every external or leaf node is at the same level or same depth within the tree. Now I am going to talk about how binary search tree works. The tree always has a root node and further child nodes, whether on the left or right. The algorithm performs all the operation by comparing values within the root and its further child node in the left for right subtree accordingly. Depend upon the element to be inserted, searched or deleted. After the comparison, the algorithm can easily drop the left or right subtree of the root node. In binary search tree, we have 3 operations. Search operation. For searching a value, if we had a sorted array, we could have performed a binary search. Let's say we want to search a number in the array. What we do in binary search is first we define the complete list as our search space. The number can exist only within the search space. Now we compare the number to be searched or the element to be searched within the mid element of the search space. In this picture, you can see how we can search a number. Now I'm going to talk about insertion. Insert function is used to add a new element in a binary search tree at appropriate location. Insert function is to be designed in such a way that it must not violate the property of binary search tree at each value. In the picture you can see how we can insert a function. Now the last one is deletion. Delete function is used to delete the specified node from a binary search tree. However, we must delete a node from a binary search tree in such a way that the property of binary search tree doesn't violate. there are 3 situations of deleting a node from binary search tree. Now for conclusion, I would like Masharib to conclude.
So now we are going to conclude our project about binary search tree. So here is the conclusion. The binary tree is one of the most widely used trees in data structure. Each of the binary tree types has a unique feature. This data structure have specific requirement in applied computer science. We hope this project about binary search tree will be helpful to you. Thank you.